Oh, 1, 2. Teka lang, gano'n. 1, 2. Kay Super Mario pa rin.
Baby, wait for Kuya.
Palin eh. Wall climbing. Go, go, go! You can do it! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go faster, go!
Okay guys, so our next one, again, welcome. This is a typical game where you're in the Filipino people.
Slide ka na ba sa'yo mag-slide?
Slide!
Slide, slide.
Slide here! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Come on! Whee! O yan na! Kuya, it's so scary ah! Ayun, doon tayo!
Ay, tama na.
Ayun na tayo!
Finish line, we have a next zone.
Oh, dito, dito, ayan oh! Yo, yo, yes!
Ay, galing oh. Again.
Parents, please assign young boys.
Parents, sagot ka. Jayden, ikaw na.
Ah.
One by one, kids.
Galing ah.
Baka pwede na tayo dito.
O dito, pwede na kami rito. Ting, 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 ting.
Si Jamie man.
Where's Jamie? Hindi, pangit ng pan.
Jayden, look at me. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, come on.
Whee! Where are you? Uy, ang galing nun ah. Ah, how about you? It's your turn. Ayan.
Si Jayden. Jayden, ikaw
Go,
na.
Jaden.
Ikaw, wala ka pila.
O, sige ron. O, yan, sige. Ah, go, go. Hold tight.
Jayden, na lang kayo.
Whee!